How to add a coming soon page on Godaddy website. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create the design of coming soon page into your Godaddy website. We're going to head over godaddy.com, sign in for an account, and then we are going to see the dashboard of our account. So we are going to head over our products, and then we're going to select the website that we want to do the process for. So for example, I'm going to have a website with the multiple products. So I'm going to select one of them. And then what we're going to do is to open up the editor or the website builder. It is going to be a very quick process. Click on edit website, wait for the website to load up the content, and we're going to be good to go. Now here we have the website builder loading up. It is not going to take a lot of time. Boom. Now, what can we do basically is to have the page. If you're going to add a page, it is going to be a premium feature. So we are going to have here a new page. As you can see, it is going to be a premium feature. And you can go ahead and start adding an image. So in my case, I do not have a website that contain a lot of um, images, or not the images, but pages in this one. I think that I have another website that has another page implemented. So let's select it. Maybe this one. I think this is the right one. So I'm going to have in here the website that has the other pages. And we're going to wait for the editor to load up just like that. In the meanwhile, we're going to head over Canva and type in coming, for example, soon. And we're going to see different pages that we are going to, or different designs that we're going to have. So I'm going to have the coming soon, let's say here image. So I'm going to have one with this. So for example, I'm going to have this design. I'm going to download this specific, as you can see, I like it, or this specific design because I like it. You can go ahead and have this downloaded. But instead, we are going to head over here and add a page. So as you can see, this is a page that we have. On terms and condition one, also, it is going to be a page. So click on settings. I'm going not to make it as a private page. This is the page. Now I'm going to have the terms and conditions. Let's see here if we can delete this. Fortunately, I cannot delete it. So I can go ahead and delete the contact page. I'm going to add instead here a section. It's going to be a image gallery. So photo gallery. Need only one photo. So I can go ahead and add this one. I'm going to have the specific, as you can see here, text deleted. Let's also delete the other photos. This one, can I delete it? So let's see. Remove all the images. I'm going to remove them all. We're going to delete or download this one. This is the first thing. Wait. So we're going to add the photo that we have here. And this is it. So we are going to add it, wait for it, and then we are going to insert it. Add to the photo gallery, and this is the image. So I'm going also to delete the section in here. And boom, this is going to be the coming soon page. So we are going to name it as coming soon. Boom. And as you can see, this is it. So basically that was pretty much it for today's video. You can go ahead and have this specific page added as the main one by having the link of it, and also put it as the main or the home one, and it is going to be okay. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.